try to learn new things every day. I am again saying, if you want to speak English so fast, and if you want to feel confident and comfortable in English or speaking English, you have to learn new things every day. You can learn anything. You can learn new words every day. You can learn new grammar topics every day. You can learn new phrases every day. Because when you learn new things, you know more things about English language. So when you learn new things, it will help you to feel confident and comfortable in speaking English. So I would highly recommend to you, if you want to speak in English, always try to learn new things every day about English. It will help you so much. You never describe with mouth how much it will help you if you learn new things about English every day. So try to learn new things about English every day. It can be anything. It can be new grammar topics, it can be new vocabularies, it can be new phrases. So I would highly recommend you, please try to learn new things. And another thing you have to do, the thing is, you have to make notes. Means what kinds of thing or whatever you learn every day in your English journey or in your English speaking journey, try to take notes about those all kinds of things. Means try to take notes of those all kinds of things, what kinds of things you learn your everyday lives. So I would highly recommend you, please try to learn new things every day about English, and always you have to take notes about those all kinds of things, what kinds of things you learn every day. It will help you so much to revise later those all kinds of things, what kinds of things you learn. So learn new things every day about English. It will help you so much to speak English better and also feel comfortable and confident in English.